Yo, check it out, check it out. Right. Yo, it's your boy Von Keith.
Stay in hustle mode, got some brand new clothes, hit them with a pose, check what I just drove, my car don't touch the road.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Von Keith, the artist, bringing you another top tier hair club haircut. All right, now this is just a hairline tutorial. We already cut my man's hair down, we already faded him up. All right, now you see I just laid his hair down with that icy blue foam wrap, and we just got all that excess grease off the forehead. Now we're following up with that Tap and Go Hairline Spritz by Top Tier Hair Club as well. The thing I love about my hairline spritz, it doesn't leave any extra residue. It doesn't leave that white chalky stuff all on the forehead. It just makes the hairline extra crispy. It makes the skin dry enough so when those trimmers hit the skin, it's over with, okay? You're gonna see as we go through this tutorial. Now I did put the do-rag on. I'm making sure I'm laying the hair down nice and neat. I'm making sure I'm getting all those extra straggly hairs as well. And I did a little beard work as well. Like I said, this is just a hairline tutorial. I will do a beard tutorial. Just request it in the comments or whatever. Voila, look at that hair. Okay, now my man's working on some waves. He's not a big waver, so don't come after him with the whole wave thing, okay? He's a working man. However, so you see I'm starting off my vertical bars with my razor only, okay? So when you have a client that comes weekly or even bi-weekly, or you have a client that has very soft edges, make sure you start off with the razor if you can. Now the Tap and Go Spritz, it makes the skin extra dry, so you can get that crispy line, so you can get that guideline going. All right, now I'm just taking my trimmers now these trimmers were modified and sharpened by Clipper Grinder. All right, the company that I am using is the Sabers. Now these are some good trimmers, I can't even lie. Now he sent me a smaller blade. I did have a TY blade on it, but the smaller blade is hitting just the same as well, okay? Now you see right there, I'm tapping into that indenture of my client's forehead. It kind of curves in a little bit. We are going to go ahead and straighten that out a little bit. Now the trick to doing that, you want to make sure you go into the indenture and you go the opposite way. You curve into it, okay? We will show you that later on in the tutorial. But we're going to go ahead and straighten up this other side, which is going straight across, taking out time. I'm not tapping too hard, okay? Now this comb trick going across the forehead, make sure you do it a couple times before you say, okay, this is the right measurement right here, okay? Now this comb is made by Murano. You can even take the he has a little stencil on the comb, and you can measure your the vertical bars just to make sure they're even as well. Either or, but that's quicker for me. I've been doing these hairlines a long time, so I can kind of move pretty fluently with it. So we're just tightening up that C-cup a little bit. Now we're following up with that razor. All right, man, make sure your razor game is on point, because that's going to separate you from a lot of people, okay? You don't want to be relying on enhancements. You don't want to rely too much on the pencil work. If that razor work is looking good, the haircut is going to last a lot longer, okay? And you see, I'm not even using any shave gel. This is all Tap and Go Hairline Spritz by Top Tier Hair Club. Please make sure y'all support. Please make sure y'all go get some of that, because this stuff is flying off the shelves. A lot of people are already hooked on to game, all right? Now from this angle, you see how the hairline is going straight across. I'm sorry, y'all, I did not include that part in the video where I did curve up his indenture. However, I will make a video on that. Just please stay tuned to the YouTube channel, because this is not the only video that I will be posting, okay? Now I'm just following up after the razor. I'm just tightening up, making sure I'm getting all those little straggly hairs, okay? This is like my second or third time tapping his hairline. When you know where the hairline is, just keep it right there. Make sure you're getting all those extras hair. Make sure you're getting all the excess residue off, okay? Because you don't want your client walking out in the street looking crazy. Your work speaks for itself, and you want your client to attract other clients into your chair, regardless of your price point, okay? Now, as we conclude this cut, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Please tell me how you feel about this haircut. Tell me how you feel about this hairline. Please request any other videos that you want, because this is the first of many, okay? YouTube University has taught barbers a lot of things. I just want to make sure you're being taught the right thing, all right? Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned.
Stay in hustle mode, got some brand new clothes, hit them with a pose, check what I just drove, my car don't touch the road.